Good afternoon, respected principal sir, HOD sirs, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Master Soham Mithul, the convener of Pune CWIT IAS Students Chapter. Welcomes you all for the first annual general meet of Pune CWIT IAS Students Chapter. Before commencing with the meeting, I would first of all like to thank our principal sir, academic coordinator Dr. A.S. Chandak sir, and faculty advisor Mrs. Shubhangi ma'am for their great support towards us for the successful conduction of over 20 events. We would also like to appreciate the whole students committee for their efforts taken to conduct many successful events throughout the difficult pandemic situation. I would like to mention the members of the students committee who did a great job towards the success of Pune CWIT IAS students chapter. Master Prashit Guzar, the secretary of IAS students chapter. Master Kaustubh Chavan, joint secretary of IAS students chapter. Master Vivid Chandrasekharan, treasurer of IAS students chapter. Ms. Vedika Patil, Event Manager of ENTC Department, Master Neeraj Daunkar, Event Manager of Electrical Department, Ms. Mansi Prasad, Event Manager of Computer Department, Master Abhijit Antarkar, Event Manager of Civil Department, and Master Naman Durve, Newsletter Manager. We wish for many successful events in the future. I wish the best of luck to all the committee members for future events. Thank you. Now, I would like to request our faculty advisor, Mrs. Shubhangi ma'am, to share their experience regarding our IIS students chapter.
Thank you, Soham. I, Mrs. Shubhangi Kishan Verma, welcome you all for this annual gathering meeting of our CWIT IIS student chapter. We established this student chapter in November 2019. For that, I deeply appreciated our principal sir, V.R. Rao sir, and also our MES Society trustee and HOD ENTC department, Dr. A.S. Chandak, and all HOD for supporting us for establishing the IIS student chapter and also supporting us for conduction of many events. We have conducted more than 20 events under this IIS student chapter. I would like to appreciate my committee member. Those helped me a lot during all the events. I would like to thank our institute for giving us all resources for conduction of the events. So thank you everyone, and I would like to all the best all the participants. I hope my committee members will perform the same way as they performed in the past. And now I would like to request our HOD, Dr. A.S. Chandak, to share their experience about our IIS students chapter.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. Principal sir, all head of the department, faculty, and my dear students. We are meeting here for the first annual general meeting of the Pune CWIT IIS student chapter. On this day, I will congratulate the all team member of the IIS student chapter at CWIT and other department, head of the department, principals, Rao sir, other head of the department, their support to go for this activity. Just now the madam told that they have completed almost around 20 activity under the IAI and other activities we are going to plan in the coming months. So once again, we have started this activity in the last year. I think I remember the Dr. Sutavne was available here. He was present for the inaugural function, and he has given a lot of input. Say here he has also quoted at that time the success lies in participation, and here I can proudly can say here most of the students they are participating in this activity. Namely, I will tell you here from the convener, Mr. Soham, and the treasurer, the secretary, Mr. Prakshit, and other department students. They are enthusiastically. They are taking the care of this all the activities. Every time they are coming to the me, and definitely the convener of this activity, Ms. Shubhangi Verma madam, she always behind that so many activities will have to carry it out, and she's taking the permission and doing the activity. Lot of participants are there. This time also they have come with the activity that we should have in the Pune region, and under the IAS student chapter also, the honorable joint director and other honorable principal of the other polytechnics, they have also given the response. That was the huge success under the IAS student chapter. So such activity also you have to plan. Definitely the way we have conducted these 20 technical events, more can be conducted under this activity. And here another thing I want to mention, that here the student will going to learn. Some idea will be there, creativity will be there, innovation will become here. We can plan the other activity also. From my side also, being the coordinator or academic coordinator, myself and principal, we are there to support all of you. So all the departments should work together, all team members should work together, and we'll see that the other more activity will be conducted under the IAS student chapter. Once again, congratulations on this first annual general meet. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to request our principal sir to share his experience about our CWIT IAS students chapter.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think I am audible.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I propose a very hearty vote of thanks, though in the beginning of my talk I am talking about the thanks, especially because in last 1 year we have had more than 20 activities conducted under this chapter. And I remember one of the activities in which almost 4 or 5 other polytechnics from other regions, not only from Pune region, but other regions also participated. And I remember the number was in excess of 600. And especially in these challenging times when we are virtually meeting everyone, including today's meeting, there are many problems, but we are getting adjusted to the new normal, and we are meeting online, not only for this meeting, but for also the training programs, and we are getting fairly good response. So I have to congratulate the team in Kasaragod and everybody involved in the arrangement of these activities. I hope that in the coming year, maybe by next month, the things will be back to normal, and with a new force and new vigor, will concentrate on conducting more and more activities for benefit of the students. And ultimately, the beneficiary has to be the student. So keeping student at the center of all our activities, if all the activities are conducted, I think it will be an immense success. So I once again wish you all the best for the activities planned in New Year. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, for sharing your experience. Now I would like to request Soham to continue with the PPT PowerPoint presentation for our first annual general meet.
Thank you, ma'am. So here we will be seeing the events conducted under Pune CWIT IAS Students Chapter since December 2019. The event manager will brief you out about each events. So I request Ms. Vedika Patil, event manager of ENTC department, to brief about this event.
This event was organized by the ENTC department. It was a three-day workshop on Python programming conducted by Mr. A. Wadkar from 7 December 2019 to 9 December 2019. This event was a great success and the participant feedback was also good.
Vedika, please give details about this event.
This was an online electronics quiz which was conducted from 7 May to 29 May 2020. Technovation. Technovation was also organized by the ENTC department. It was an idea presentation competition and was conducted from 5 June to 25 June 2020. The topic for idea presentation was use of electronics and telecommunication in COVID-19 prevention. It received a good feedback from the participant and was a successful event.
Vedika, please give details about this event.
A webinar on industrialization and process and automation was conducted on 10 July 2020. The keynote speaker was Mr. Jay Thuse from Thuse Electronics. It was a very useful lecture and the audience feedback was also very good. An online technical quiz was organized by the NTC department. The quiz consisted of 50 questions and the winners were awarded with e-certificates.
This was the expert lecture conducted by the electrical department on the art of reading electricity bills and kVAH billing. This lecture was conducted on 15 September 2020.
This is an expert lecture on town planning, concept, necessity and aspects. In this lecture, we invite Professor Nilesh Poresar from faculty from D.Y. Patil School of Architecture, Lohgaon, Pune. In this lecture, they gave us basic information about town planning. Also in history, cities like Mohenjo-daro, etc. how are planned with the concept of town planning. They thought they also shown us various patterns of the town planning in ancient times like Dandaka, Swastika, Chaturmukha, and etc. They also shares the points like necessity of town planning, growth of towns, planning process of towns, types of survey which is carried out for town planning, and etc. We also give participant certificates to the participant who will participate in this lecture, and in this way we successfully completed our civil department's first IEI event.
Vedika, please give details about this event.
Yes. A short-term course on Android app development was organized by the NTC department. It was a 5 days workshop from 21 September to 25 September 2020. YouTube Live was the platform which was used for this event. The spokesperson was from Architecnica Startup Solutions. This event was a great success.
So this is an event on the effect of current industrialization development on environment and human life. This is a essay writing competition. In this event, first we registered the interested participant, and then after 2 days we collected their essay in Google form platform. We also then Miss S.G. Talan, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department of CWIT, they judged their essay, and then they announced the winners of the competition, which you seen on the screen. In this event, we gave 100 rupees and certificate to the third winner, 200 rupees and certificate to the second winner, and 300 rupees and certificate to the first winner. This is the standardization system, necessity and process. This is an expert lecture on the occasion of World Standards Day, and for this event, we invited Mr. Surendra Patwardhan, Managing Director of Sohum Consultant, who had a very vast experience of 30 years in the field of standardization. In this lecture, they explaining the importance of standardization, how they standardize the certain company, explaining the method of plan, do, and check, benefits from standardization. They explain, and we also give the certificates to the participant who have joined this expert lecture.
This webinar on Java and its needs and applications was organized by the ENTC department on 17 October 2020. The keynote speaker was Mr. Nikhil Karle. It was a very helpful lecture and a good feedback was received from the audience. Tug of Tech was a debate competition organized by the ENTC department on 24 October 2020. Ms. Rupali Shetty was invited as the guest for the debate competition. A good response was received from the participants as well as the audience. Overall, it was a successful event. A live technical quiz on semiconductor devices and circuits was organized by the ENTC department on 31st October 2020 for second year ENTC. This event was carried out under the guidance of the faculty advisor. It was conducted using the online platform Kahoot.it. Similar to the previous quiz, a live technical quiz was organized for the third year ENTC on microcontrollers. This was also carried out using Kahoot.it under the guidance of the faculty advisor. Minesweeper quiz competition was organized by the ENTC department for third year ENTC. A good response was received from the participants.
Thank you all the event managers. Now I request our newsletter manager, Master Naman Durve, to share his experience about the IAS student chapter.
Thank you, Soham. Good afternoon to esteemed faculty and fellow students. My name is Naman Durve. I am the newsletter manager of our IEI students chapter. It has been my privilege to work along with other fellow students in the students committee. My time spent in the students committee was very fulfilling. As the newsletter manager, my primary job was to prepare detailed event reports. Event reports highlighted key information about the event, top rankers, and other supplementary information. I had to coordinate with the event managers and secretaries to make reports with the accurate information and also submit it within a specific time limit. Apart from this, my experience of the events was excellent. The events were very well organized and the level of dedication shown by the event managers, secretaries, and especially the faculty advisor was astounding. The IEI students chapter is a welcome change. I think it kept all of the students engaged in fruitful activity. I want to thank the faculty advisor and coordinator and all members of the students committee. I wish them best luck and hope that they will continue their good work here. Thank you.
Thank you, Naman. Now I request our treasurer, Mr. Vivek Chandrasekharan, to brief out the budget.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vivek Chandrasekharan, and I'm the treasurer for IEI Students Chapter. I have made a small balance sheet about the expenses and the budget that we have been going through. We have been gone through since 2019 till now, and I'll just present it to you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Now it is visible. All right. So yes, IEI budget and expenses. So this is a small brief out about the expenses that have been done since 2019 to 2020. And here's a list of all the expenses that took place. There were a few events that took place. For example, the Python programming. So there are some expenses that took place for that and other events as well. And the Jay Thuse, our sir Jay Thuse, who conducted a webinar as well. So these are some expenses that took place from 2019 to 2020, and the latest expenses are over here in front of you. So there's at least one course that we do in a whole year that is like beneficial for everyone. It's a big course for a time span for at least 3 to 4 days. So this year it was Android app development that was done in September 2020. So yeah, this is the expenses and the budget for that as well. So yes, that was an overall brief out for what all took place in this year and the year before. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek. Now I would like to request our Joint Secretary, Master Kaustubh Sawan, to brief out about the future events.
Thank you, Soham. Good afternoon, respected principals, all the HODs, faculty advisor, and all my colleagues present here. I am Kaustubh Sawan, Joint Secretary of IIS Students Chapter CWIT Pune. So we have planned and executed many such successful events, but due to this COVID pandemic, we have to manage and execute many events online only. So, but we have planned many more events for the future and hope all the colleges reopen soon. We have conducted many guest lectures on AI, and in future we will going to plan it. So, and now we are planning to take guest lectures on real experiences and work projects done by the personnel. We have also planned some debates, quiz competitions, and some more competitions that will make the students aware about the things that are going on in the sector. And we are also planning to give some hands-on technical events like Python programming and etc. We are very much sure that we will get a good response and support from everyone for future. And I am happy to be the part of this committee, and we are heading on to make this IAS student chapter grateful and helpful for the students for their future. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaustuv. Now, I would like to request the head of the departments of all other departments to share their experience for the IAS student chapter.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this chapter was formed in way back in November, and after that we were just busy about our MBA committee visit and all those things. And suddenly after that, this lockdown happened. But still, you students were very active, conducting various activities and so on. So I just congratulate you all for being active during such lockdown period also, and I hope you all will do very good in future also. So just I wish you all the best for coming year and conduct such activities in future also. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like our secretary, Master Prashit Dugar, to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Som. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So before vote of thanks, I would like to talk a few words about hardships we faced during the lockdown and the entire team tackled, like how the entire team tackled the problems and conducted successful events. Before the lockdown, we all were conducting events regularly in our college, and it was a little easy and convenient in terms of communication. But we used to conduct events physically in the college, and it was a great experience. But when the lockdown started, conducting event online was a little tough. Internet connection, bandwidth issues, platform, everything was a little tough at start. But when we all started as a team and chalked out the way to conduct events, it became successful. I feel lucky and grateful that I am working with such an awesome and fabulous team. Now I will give vote of thanks. A lovely and warm afternoon to our most valued and worthy dignitaries, respected teachers, IIA committee members, and beloved friends. It's a matter of pride for me that I am proposing a vote of thanks for this meeting. I, on behalf of my colleagues of committee members and the entire community, want to thank you, Principal Sir, all the HODs, all the faculty members present here, and all the staff who gave their vital time from their busy schedule to grace this meeting. I want to thank all the speakers for adorning their necessary work and sharing with us graceful experience. Further, a big thanks to Soham for efforts towards today's anchoring. With their appreciation ideas, I mention my sincere sense of gratitude to them. I would like to place my hearty thanks to all the volunteers and participators because of whom we made this meeting possible. Special thanks to Shubhangi ma'am and Chandak sir for supporting us and motivating us during the entire process of CWIT IEI. I would again like to thank you all for attending this meeting. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Prashit.
Now I'd like to request all committee members. Am I audible, Soham?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Now I'd like to request all committee members and HOD
and principal sir to turn on their camera so that we can have a screenshot.
झालं?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am, it's done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And principal sir to share their time, to spend the time with us. So here we declare the AGM is over. Bye, students.